mga Kasanli Adventures! Welcome back again to our channel. So for today's vlog guys, may another ganap na naman kami. So gagala ulit kami ni Mr. And today, pupunta kami ng Utrecht City. So banda kila Joanne. Kasi nga magsha-shopping kami. So doon kayo magsha-shopping kasi nga doon sa Utrecht guys, ano siya, yun yung pinakamalaking mall dito sa Netherlands. If I'm not mistaken. So ayan. Kasi nung nakaraan, pumunta din kami doon sa Utrecht. Kaso hindi kami nakapag-shopping. So today, mag-shopping kami doon. Kasi kahapon, di ba, nag-shopping din kami. Kaso hindi kami nakabili ng halat. Yung ano ko, yung bathrobe. Kasi nga, itong si husband, gustong-gusto niya na mag-sauna kami madalas. Like, weekends, para naman makapagpahinga kami. Kasi nga, di ba, always kami may work. So, ayan. So, kahit pa paano, meron kaming time para mag-relax. So, ayun yung bibili namin. And also, bibili din kami ng susuotin namin para sa King's Day. Kasi nga kahapon, wala kaming nabiling, damit. Yung nabili lang namin is yung, accessories lang. So, yeah. Kasi doon sa Utrecht, madaming pagpipilian and malaki din yung mall. So, samahan nyo kami doon. And as of now guys, nandito kami sa Germany and nagpagas kami. Tapos na din si husband, nagbabayad lang siya sa loob. And alam niyo ba guys, good news kasi nga yung price ng gas dito sa Germany, bumaba na siya. So, tawag nito? Ano siya? Yung price niya is 2 euro and 9 cents. Hindi tulad dati nung nakaraang pagpunta namin dito nung nagpagas kami is 2 euro and 40 cents. So, yeah. Finally, bumababa na yung gas. Hindi na masakit sa bulsa. So, ayan. Maganda din yung weather ngayon. 14 degree nga lang, pero okay lang kasi nga nasa loob lang naman kaming ng mall. Sobrang saya ko talaga guys na meron akong microphone kasi kahit papaano, kahit mahina lang yung boses ko, is naririnig niyo pa rin ako. So, ayun. Hello. Uy. Thank you, baby. May pa-flowers na naman siya. Look at that. Rose. Thank you, babe.
Thought you saw it.
Hindi siya nagkikis kasi nga naka-lipstick ako. So, ayan guys. Let's go to Utrecht City. Actually guys, meron pa akong flowers sa bahay.
Which way must we go? This way?
Kasi nung nakaraan, binigyan din ako ni husband ng flowers.
50.
Let's go guys!
We're going through Germany.
Pack your dreams, let's hit the road. Golden mornings, open roads. No more worries, no more fear. Just you and me, the sky so clear. Got no map, but that's alright. We'll chase the sun into the night. Every heartbeat, every street, a brand new world under our feet. Travel with me across the sea, over the mountains, wild and free, dancing through cities, chasing the breeze. Come on, travel with me, travel with me, where dreams run deep, over the rivers, across the fields, laughing with stars in a sky so sweet. Come on, travel with me.
So ayan guys, nandito kami sa sa parking lot. Kaka-park lang namin. Suotin ko lang tong leather. Nakinip. Let's go guys. Tingnan nyo dito sa taas. So guys, gumamit kami ng toilet.
We are accepting.
Mas mahal dito yung bayad. 1 euro and 10 cents. Tapos,
You're lucky,
why?
because you bring me exactly in central.
So we are now here guys, inside the shopping mall.
So lucky. This is exactly where we walked before.
Yeah. I think we, yeah. Look guys, oh.
So we need to be here.
Look. Wow. Ang ganda, no? Sa baba niyan is ano pa, tubig. So let's go. And guys, samahan nyo kami maglibot-libot. Nagutom na si husband, kaya kakain muna kami.
The Burger Federation?
You want burger?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go to Burger Federation.
Burger Federation. Rolls. Yeah, I think so. Here? Here? Yes, yes, Ban. So, dito na lang kami uupo. So, guys, dinikit ko lang kayo dyan sa ano, sa dingding. Pipili lang kami ng orderin namin. So, ito yung menu nila. Actually, babe, I'm not yet hungry.
Then another way.
Hindi pa ako kakain. Si Aswan lang yung
Then
kakain.
later, when you will want to eat, then we'll say, let's go home and we will warm up the.
Yeah, pasta.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay.
I already know. I want this one.
So, ito guys yung order ni husband. Pero pang naka-ano, oh. Natingnan niyo naman yung coke niya. Yung in-order niya is large. Eh, ang laki nga. So, siya lang yung kakain kasi nga hindi pa ako gutom. So, ayan. Kung yung in-order niya is yung medium rare na patty.
You try?
Doon yung ano, yung medium rare. My love, let's go here. Wait.
Where do you want to go?
Where we gonna start? You can all...
What? It's not there because it's other.
So, ito yung guys yung itsura ng mall nila. Ang laki.
They're making pictures, no? Or
No, it's a t-shirt where you can buy
they do something with t-shirts.
1 plus 1 free. If you were gonna buy one, you were gonna get one cheaper, one free.
They are doing something with these t-shirts.
It's a King's Day, babe. Oh, that one is also jacket.
Yeah? What?
You see? A jumper. Doon po sa baba ang dami. What is this? Here also, like I can go. Here is the name of the store is Stradivarius. So let's go. The smell.
Yeah.
It's like someone sprays. Wait, my sweetheart. Ang dami ditong mga damit. Ang cute guys ng bag, oh, pang Barbie. Diba? So let's go, babe. Ang daming tao dito sa loob. Mga mura siguro yung mga binibenta. So ito guys yung nahanap namin. Dito kami sa loob ng Primark. Ito try ko din yung akin. Kung isa para terno kaming jacket. Wait, my love. Mabuti na lang, meron akong nahanap na extra small. Iisa na lang palang Tapos isa na lang yung natira.
But it must be bigger than this.
What's the size of that? Large?
Oh. Oh, it's okay. But it's not.
No, it's okay.
If I want to wear something under, it's not good.
So, ito siya.
Good.
King steak.
It's bigger.
No, it's okay. The size is okay.
But if I want to wear some jacket under, if it's cold, it's gonna be cold.
So, nandito lang tayo sa kabilang area ng mall. So, ito yung binili namin, guys, oh. Primark. Samsung. Mila, maybe we can go here.
What?
Ah, yeah, but because I'm looking for the case of my phone.
Case?
So, ngayon, guys, naghahanap kami ng
Wait, maybe it can be here.
no, it's only for house.
Yeah, but we didn't tell us.
Okay, let's go. Naghahanap kami na, guys, ng bathtub. It's nothing, no? Artificial flower. So, mag-try kami kung meron ba dito. Dito kami sa taas. Meron kami nakitang halat. Yan, oh. My love, it's thin. It's very thin. So, ito yung itsura niya. How much?
50.
Much better in ritual. Okay, let's continue walking. Libis.
Sketches.
Ah. Here. Maybe have. Wanna to look?
Here?
Yes. Yung amoy talaga sa loob, hindi maganda. This one also nice, oh, for summer, no? This one. You look good? Okay. For summer. Ganda siya. For beach.
Yeah.
In Philippines. But not here.
To try?
Wanna try? How much, babe? Ah.
60 euros.
For 60 euro, ano lang, damit lang. Wala pa yung short. Yung short, magkano? 50 euro. 60, tas 50, 110 turn, no? Paano dito? Pang summer vibes yung mga suot.
Maybe something like this.
This color?
Yeah, it's good looking. With these pants.
It's long, babe. See?
You need to get your size.
I think all the same. Only the size here, but the length is the same. So let's come here. Oh, diba? Meron akong shorts. Which, nainggan nito si husband sa mga crochet.
So looking nice. See? No, you the thin, you see?
Yeah.
With that.
Meron din siyang mga 60 euro.
Try your size. Wear it.
Agoy, gustong-gusto niya patry niya sa akin. Small. This one, my love, oh. Small. I will try. It's long, baby.
You can always make shorter.
Ang hirap makahanap ng size kapag pandak. Extra small na to siya. Mahaba. That one also good.
This?
How much, babe?
120.
45 euro. What size?
Yes.
S. Maybe it's have extra small. Ah, it's also have turn babe skirt. Small. So, try ko to. Tatry lang naman. Hindi pa naman bibilhin. So, ayan.
Small.
Small. Okay. Hanap pa tayo para isahan lang yung pagsuot ko. This one, maganda din siya. How about that dress, no? The white? Or it's not? No, no? Para siyang ano?
Why not?
Para siyang pangkasal. Maybe it's have extra small.
For this.
Extra large. Small. Large. Medium. Small. Ano lang? Mga small lang. Wala nang extra. Shit. It's very long. Okay, I will try. So guys, ito yung unang sinukat ko. Okay siya, maganda siya, kaso makati siya pag sinuot mo.
It's not bad. It's not bad. But at least you need to hire on a piece like that. Always will go super good. Directly good. How is about it, dress? This?
So ito yung dress. This one you need to put inside. I don't know actually what is the use for this.
Also wearing.
No, I think no, it's not wearing. I don't know, but it's something.
Looks straight.
Thing dress now?
No, no, it's not all this. This one we
That's so
could,
long, no?
this one, no, this is good. This one we could take.
This one?
Yes. This one we could go out some event. How much it cost?
You need to check the back.
60 euros. We can take it.
And if I were gonna wear a sandal, I'd say this one. Nice, no? So, kukunin namin to. Ito yung last. This is the last one. Makarinam. Actually, I like it. So, So ayan guys, binili namin yung dalawa kong sinukat. Yung orange na color, yung may pa flower, at saka yung dress na white. So ito siya. So, how about you, babe?
I will get it later. Promise. I promise. I will. They were gonna make special day for me when I was gonna go out. Yeah.
Special date?
Yeah, and for shopping for me.
Okay. Ako lang palagi yung binibilhan niya. Hindi siya bumibili sa kanya. Tapos ngayon sabi niya sa akin, next time daw, bibili na kayo para sa kanya. Jewelry. Maybe here, oh, there, in Libera. That Libera, because my
Swarovski. This is that what I told you before.
Swarovski. Mga ano, jewelries. Ang ganda, oh. Look at that. What is Swarovski, babe?
That is the special stone. This is Swarovski's.
Special stone?
Yes. This is 280 euros. But it's normal. This is the special stone. This is Swarovski.
This one is nice.
That's this wedding ring from him.
Yeah, it's look like.
Look like, yeah?
This one, oh. Oh, this one is not much expensive, no? Only 129. It's a gold, right? Or I don't know,
Swarovski is a stone.
a stone.
Also,
That one is nice. This,
middle one.
yeah. Oh, ang ganda. Pero hindi mo na kayo bibili kasi nga wala pang budget. Tingin-tingin lang muna. Ito maganda din to, oh. Bracelet. Yun, oh, may kinang-kinang sa gitna. So, pahabol guys, nandito kami sa ano, loob ng ritual. Ito na yung last stop namin. Final last stop. Ha?
80.
I think it depends on the size. If it's size small,
No, 80 euros.
ah yeah. But there in Menlo, how much it is? The same?
I don't know. They says 100.
No, what pink?
Not like it.
No.
But actually, this one looking good. You don't want to? Maybe you want to try. Just take it off.
This is extra.
Scherm is nog achter. We can fit here.
Yeah, of course. There's a mirror.
Nou, ga gewoon vragen.
There. Yeah. Yeah.
Can I have
I
this one in pink? I don't know, what not? Oh, no.
So it's like this guys. Ito guys yung ano, yung halat. Husband. Yan yung color na kukunin niya. Ito yung akin.
Yeah, this is.
Ito naman guys yung pink. Maganda din siya pero mas gusto ko yung ano, yung isa. I like the other one. The gray. The gray.
Nice color, yeah.
I think maybe better gray.
Yeah. Also nice. Yeah.
Or this one.
I don't know. But I like the gray one. Would you like this?
I don't know. How to choose? It's both.
It's hard to choose, right? Yeah.
Yeah, this is very nice. Or maybe better this.
Okay. It's extra large.
Yeah.
Yes.
The biggest one. Eh?
The biggest one, yeah.
But if it's someone bigger than me, then you don't have it.
Yeah. Does yours fit?
I like this
alright?
one.
Yeah. Yes.
Binili namin oh, sa ritual. Tag-isa kaming bathrob. Tapos meron silang papri na ano, yung sa moisturizer ba tawag doon? Tapos ito pa. And you know what guys, nag-message, tumawag sa akin si Joanne. Mag-stop muna kami sa kanila bago kami umuwi. Kasi nga, yung asawa niya is uuwi siya ng maaga kaya ayun. So mag-stop muna kami bago kami umuwi. So guys, tapos na kaming bumisita kila Joanne and ngayon babalik na kami sa bahay namin. And meron kaming 2 hours na pagdadrive. Makakarating kami sa bahay ng mga 6:24 ng gabi. At si Joanne guys, malapit na siyang mangitlog. Actually guys, ano na, nakapako yung ano, tiyan niya. Tapos yung baby gumagalaw. Medyo natatakot akong ano, hawakan yung tiyan niya. So, ready na sila. And guys, bye-bye! That's it for today's vlog. See you again next time. Ciao!
Ciao.